Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be watching The Great Train Robbery. Okay, I like the title sequence here. I thought that was pretty neat. I'm showing it here. It's one of the interesting titles that seems very creative. Looks like it was drawn together by hand. I'm looking at it. And then you see this right here, with these guys walking in. And since it's a silent film, you just gotta kind of piece it together as you go along, and you see all this train coming along. And as I'm seeing this, I'm wondering, like, what's their interaction, and why are they hiding under there? The train is stopped apparently, looking over there in the corner, and somebody's coming to the window there. I'm thinking a conductor of some kind. Oh, took him out. Jeez. Stuff like that. But back then, as long as you could see the action that's going on, worked well on audiences. And the camera's wide enough that you can see all the main characters in that corner there. And see that they're walking up and they're just, hopping on the train. Like connivers. Then we get the one shot on the inside. And it seems to have like the way they set up the camera, it's just in the center. So it can kind of show the left side and the right side of the frame, and it can just kind of get the main action from just kind of it's like you're watching kind of a play that's being done. Like there's the stage, and then there's the actors coming in. I find that interesting. Oh, explosion effects pretty neat. See smoke coming off, and then taking the bags. And they get to the top of the train. That's a neat sequence. I wonder how they aligned the camera up to it. I assume that they just kind of had the camera just kind of glued to the top of one of the tops of the train. Something like that, just kind of stuck. I don't know if anybody's holding it on top of the train and going like this to get the film kind of rolling. But then again, it's not like they had an automatic system probably for getting the shots. Train going away. And there's the crooks right there. The passengers are racing right out. Pretty neat. It's a pretty neat group. Like group shot right there. It would have been nice if they could get it from an additional angle too, where you get more of a wider view of the whole group they're holding up. But there's just so many people there, they could just literally just attack him and he'd have nothing to go with. Because it's like a group of people and just one guy pointing at them. They could all just gang up on him, basically. Was he holding up like 100 people? Actually, there's him, and then there's the two people helping him out. But still, like 100 versus 3 people. Probably wouldn't be much. Oh, jeez. He's down for the count. Over-exaggerated, but then again, they had to really push the over-exaggeration in silent films. So, like, when somebody's expressing, like, the emotion, like love or something, they go like, or if they're expressing death, like that guy did, they just go, because they have to really, because they can't make some kind of sound that goes, or something like that. They can't do that. Yes. I don't really see much, or really, I don't think I've seen any other than the starting title. I just like the fact it just shows the action, gets to the point. Because in some silent films that you'll see, they don't really get to the main. I mean, there's only so much film in there, but then there's so many title cards in there explaining what the film's about, what's going on in the sequence, and you know what? Show. Don't tell. Hopping across the river. Not river. Creek. Oh. I don't know if they meant to do that or it's just in the take and they're just like, you know what, that's a good take. Well, girl's over exaggerating a little bit, but works. Find the circle as quickly as you can. The dizzier you get, the better. Alright, wow. Well, that guy's got good moves. There we go. He's bringing up all the dust. Oh, nope. Just shot at the floor. Okay. Yeah, like again with the circle movements. So the last sequence here. Right now. Here comes the cavalry. Thanks for watching, Storyboard That audience, and feel free to hit that subscribe button. I'd greatly appreciate it. This is probably the only reaction video I intend to make, but I always wanted to kind of edit a reaction video for this channel. I hope that you all enjoy it, and have a great day.